Going on, everyone? A little sick here tonight. Probably not gonna be that long. I wanted to hop on for sure. Seeing 41s right now. Just waiting for that 5 minute 200 test. I gotta remember I'm on camera too, so see everything that I do. Let me know if you can't hear me good. I'll fix it. Huge drop Friday. Kind of retest here in this little area here with this body of this candle, top of it. Also a little wick here. 701s. I'm seeing 720s though, about like right there around this area. 27s, 30s, 50s. Let's reverse all the way to this one here. Cleaner chart. Just to reload everything. Yeah, I need to get more screens so I'm able to move that around without you guys seeing that. Seems like we're going to get some 41s here in a second. Maybe. We'll see though. Consistent pattern. Huge drop. That little drop there was. I was on the cruise on vacation, so I didn't really even get to watch this at all last week. But when I did, I just traded small. So I didn't really have anything go bad on me, losing connection or something. Let me know what y'all want to see though. If you guys want to see any ES or anything. I think VPOC just moved. Yeah, that little. Well, they were doing this here, this little trend into close last week. Opened it right there in it. That was made them all chase it. 20 points there. I mean, if you got in and out quick, it was like a minute. Eight 30 on the dot here. Yeah. Candle kind of started under that body of the last one. It needs to push early or just want to be one of those dojis, in my opinion. What's going on, Luke? How's it going, man? Yeah. I've always had earrings. Yeah. Always, man. I just don't wear them much. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can see them. Damn, that's crazy. I didn't know you could see them. They ain't that big. They're just like fucking third carat or something like that. Quarter. My son, you funny as hell, bro. Oh yeah, no, we gotta stay with the diamonds, man. They just retested above that candle there. Did not like that. That's for sure. You don't want to see that, especially after one of those candles. Probably just gonna stay around these 20s, right at VPOC. Wait around. Could test back. Could try to flush out. Now if they did, yeah, gold. What is this gold doing? Gee, why am I? Why am I tripping? That's how you know I haven't been trading for a whole fucking week. Yeah, gold. Jesus. Cap and then God. What's the daily look like on this piece? Oh shit. Yeah, I'd say around there. Previous month low. Yeah, definitely like a little bounce there. Yeah, 26, 24s. Let's mark this out here. Definitely there on the daily candle. That shit's pushing. Yeah, it broke out. A lot of shorts are trapped. Shorts are trapped from this wick here, anticipating the push down into the 200 daily. Seems like, but previous month lows attracting. Yeah, it's the little studio. Anybody that's wondering what I trade in, this is where I trade every fucking night. It's where it goes down. Gold is really, if it holds 600s, easily get that push there. Previous month low, which would be literally 2617 and a half. What's the ES doing? Oh, yeah, ES looks the same as NASDAQ. Retesting this wick here. Previous month high. Oh, yeah. Around there. Previous month high or so. Yeah, I just got this mic in. 5913s. Yeah, look at that wick here. If you look at this wick, kind of held first test, one test, two, three tests there. You probably mark that there if you want. And this is just I'm just going through my chart in the night. I don't even usually trade ES, but it's nice to know where it's doing. Yeah, they kind of closed it there, closed above. Now you just want to see it push through. That's the 5-minute 200. So I mean, if it doesn't push into the night, I mean, you got till 12 o'clock, midnight open before it does really anything. It's already pushed 100 points on NASDAQ. ES has already did 20. Jeez. Yeah, 20 points on ES. Somebody's happy tonight. I had the lows almost fucking in queue. I've locked the account up already. One of them. Yeah. Didn't want to stay around the 20s. He's like, VPOC moved up. 27s now VPOC. So yeah, if they don't, they better start buying here. If you can see that there. Well, no, it ain't doing that. It's probably more doing that. I know that looks crazy, but it's a lower time frame, so the doesn't have to be pretty. Yeah, went under, out, tested. Now we're just chopping around, holding the VPOC. Just needs to hold that VPOC, or we could easily hit this 600 level at the 20 MA. Oh yeah, close under. Now you just wait. VWAP and the 200 stacked here with the, oh yeah, the February gaps. Let's see. Actually, you know what? See how the, let's see what these look like here. Oh yeah. So there's your golden pocket, I guess. If you want to, however you call it. It's kind of crazy how it does this right there into it too. Don't you think? The doji is, the body of the doji is literally the top of the golden pocket. So we do break it down out of this, get a little retest on the 5-minute, or if they just flush. Right now, 618 is key. Seems like. I mean, let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see anything, you can go over any chart. Any chart. This one's just the most active right now, other than gold. Gold, I feel like you can just buy the fucking dip. There's your retest on 20s. 25 is going to be 24s, 25, 24, 70s. There we go. Now I need to push back strong here. Now they went up, went back under. See if they get to push the 40s now. If they can push back above 25 VPOC and hold that there. Oh yeah, they moved VPOC down. I know we saw that live there. VPOC just got shifted down on the retest. So we'll see if they're trying to push it down or not. Get this explosive move in the open, and now we're getting kind of this again. We'll get another one here soon, though, in my opinion. It's almost 9 o'clock. So, 9 o'clock, we'll have some stuff happen. Let's delete all the drawings here. Let's go over this again. I want to make this clear as day. So, look at this body right here. Body of that candle on the weekly. I don't know. They've been using that the last 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So, and the candles are kind of, you can see them closing in this area. That one was if we go down to a lower frame, I guess you'll be able to see a little bit better. Kind of using it over and over. 50% retrace of it. Kind of starting the days in it. Retest, break. That was if you held on to it with a stop loss, kept riding it. Yeah, Bitcoin 100K. Oh shit. Yeah, that would be pretty crazy. It's very doable though. I think they just shook a lot of people out of it. Lots of people here. Let me show you this on the daily. Pretty clear there. I mean, it's pretty fucking clear what's happening. 900s are going to be pretty decent as a key. 640s to 720s. Very, very key in my opinion. Or even 800s. 640 to 800. That's going to be a range. We could wick up to 800 here. 830s. So let's just draw this here. Okay, that's not how you do that. Where's it at? I sworn it was right there. Yeah, there she is. Kind of like that. On the daily, if you don't get that, it's going to be a straight cock candle right back into the top of this range. Just like that. Then maybe a down push. But I mean, it's hard to know what's happening before it happens. Anybody could imagine. But yeah, if we don't push out of this 640 level, if we don't push above 640s pretty aggressively, this is not gonna go back into this trend. So probably early week, early in tomorrow, we'll probably see a wick into the 640s to the 790s around there. We'll probably see that wick. If we don't see any wicks, this is going to get very slippery very fast. As in, sell the news kind of event. He won, run up into the winning, and just, yeah, boom. Staged it, got them all long again, kept them chasing it, shook them out there. So a lot of people just got shooken out, in my opinion, also. Especially under this, especially since breaking this, let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, this candle here. A lot of stops were there. Lots of stops. That's why I got so liquid once we pushed through this trend here, especially this level. Yeah, it lines up pretty perfect here. So two confluences. Yeah, there's your push down. So they broke down out of that trend. Obviously. Just like that. There's your 600s. If anyone took any of that, I mean, I think what led to think that that would happen was this candle. Tried to push it. I mean, this could easily just boop, boop, fly. I mean, we know how it's been. I think these two will end up really close here soon, too. We could just chop around this range, especially around VWAP 600. There she goes. Right off 602s. 600, 602s, like we were saying. And then fly. Jesus. Yeah, it's probably 100% chance that happens. That's how it goes, though. I mean, it doesn't surprise me anymore when stuff happens exactly how I fucking say it's gonna happen. It's pretty easy to fucking do that. The hardest part's holding it, getting into it. All right, let's see the volume on this one. This chart. Yeah, you already got your initial bounce. I'll just be careful with the bouncing. If you didn't get in early at around 603s, if you didn't get in down there, I wouldn't be taking this. This could get a little bit more down here in the 70s. None of this is financial advice, but I mean, it's just what I'm seeing. Just thinking that if it doesn't hold into the next, you got 12 minutes for the next 30-minute candle, an hour. It's a strong bearish candle. If it closes exactly like that, if we can get a push back up into the wick, I mean, that's obvious. 640s. Just gotta hold 602 before 9 o'clock. That's basically what we're waiting for now. 11 minutes. It is pretty slow tonight. Here comes Macy. Ain't no telling what she's about to say. So get ready. See what we can get. Yeah, 602. Just need to hold that into the next 10 minutes. 10-minute change. Yeah. Then obviously, if we break the 602, you get the 70s there, 74s or so. 82 to 74, I'd say. I mean, VPOC is. Let's go back to this. Yeah, 608. Yeah, that's why we're just hanging here. Very bad place to enter any trades. You got some down there on that 602. You're feeling happy down here. Kind of see that. Boom, boom. No, we don't. 9 minutes. Also, nice volume on that selling. Big volume. Broke right under that candle. Retested the last breakout, basically. Now we just wait 9 minutes. I mean, it's not pretty, but it's there. Oh, the 15 looks. Jesus. I mean, look at this here. 15-minute gap. VWAP. 1 minute 200. 5-minute gap. Right here. So the 70s is very, very, very nice. So we got some 70s down here. That'd be a nice area to take some retest longs maybe. But as you know, No predictions. Just waiting. I can't see anything. He said, my son. Seven minutes. It's going to be the slowest 7 minutes of your life, so don't expect anything crazy. All right, so right now we're squeezed up against 13s and O2s. Fresh gap here on the 5 minute to the downside. Broke under. So now we just sit. I'll let you know if it does that. It's either going to, not going to say that. Probably not my best. 7 minutes. Let's see the 5 minute. I see a wick. I see a nice wick coming on the next candle. I just see a wick. I don't know. I mean, that's literally stair stepping. Powerful. Boom, boom, boom. Flagged. Broke the flag. People were seeing this. That's what most people were seeing right there. Broke the flag down. Made a little tiny lower low right into the 20, right into the fresh 15. Retested the breakout. That was definitely the trend. That little wedge there. Went right under it. 602s. I mean, that could be a perfect opportunity to go right to 41s. All right, here we go. New 5 minute at least. Just boop. That's how the volume increased. And then it was a big enough green candle to push back into it. Just kind of read the volume. Hmm. 900. Yeah, volume is just trickling straight down. We're waiting for this new candle. Just show your cards. I mean, that was probably the move there. That's just the clearest move. I wouldn't take anything. The 15 gap there into the retest, but they didn't even go all the way down into it, so that sucks. Didn't even give you the full 60150. So they kind of front ran it. Oh yeah. Now, what does this look like? Break. Come back, retest. Break. Boop. Back above. And it could come to there. But it's doing that. It's slowly trying to gain its momentum back to that side. That would be the prettiest move, though, down here to this neckline. You can call that a neckline. Slowed down, got some volume, pushed back, kind of retested. Came here, retested again. As soon as we broke through it, even in the lower frame. Here, let's go to the lower frame so I can show it better. 2-minute candle here. Notice how that level is pretty fucking key, right? Retest, go. Flushed it through. Damn, they flushed it on Friday. That hurt a lot of people. That move back. God, a lot of shorts chased, got fucked. And that right there at 8, yeah, that was. Whew. Hope nobody chased that one. That was brutal. Now we're kind of making. Notice how we're making these 15-minute gaps and 5-minute gaps to the downside, and now we're kind of making them to the north side. I'm waiting for this squeeze. Yeah. That's all I'll say about that one. Oh, you can't just hit me up with this one right here. They're trying to curl it here at this level. 612. 612 is got to break in 2 minutes. Has to hold 612 to push back up. Downside looks more prominent though, the more I look at it. You can only see the LEDs going up the wall halfway right there. Notice that in the camera now. Jesus. One day I won't be talking to myself. Yeah. About to happen. Something's coming. 1 minute. If something doesn't happen here, then it'll be my sign to get off. Go to bed. Got a lot to do tomorrow. I'm pretty sure because I've been working a week. Been gone, so sure there'll be plenty to do. My actual job. This is my hobby slash business, I would say. Come on, just do it, you bastard. Come on. It'll do it. Just don't chase it. That's all I'll say. Just don't chase it. It's either going to sit right here in this zone for the next push, or it's going to give you that shake. It'll shake him, or it'll stay. But in my opinion, this is bullish for the night. Unless something crazy happens in the next 5 minutes, like as soon as I get off here. But in my opinion, it's just going to sit in this level before it pushes, or it's going to give you a retest and then push. If they give us open, we'll see. Could be totally wrong. I'm wrong sometimes, so just really would like to see a little pushback. A little bit, just a little bit, especially for that 4-hour candle. Give that 4-hour candle back into the 700s, like right here. 700, right at 720 around there. Then we can push down. Get the confirmation of the push down. Yeah, Friday was pretty crazy. They gave you a crazy good move too and a good entry. That's for damn sure. I mean, looking back at it, it looks easy, but Broke out a trend, no volume. None. No volume. Notice the 1 minute here is under the 5 minute 200. So anything retesting into that, usually bearish, like these, all these. Here, bullish, retest above, push, push. Now it's under again. So when we retest, we're pushing down. Notice that. So the trend is downside, but now we've pushed above. You finally got your little dip there. There's your wick. This market is very predictable sometimes. Yeah, there was your wick at 602s. So they retested 602. Now we just wait. That was a nice volume candle too in the lower frame. I really want to see him shake them. Come on, shake those boys. Give us some 70s. Gonna slow down some. Retest that level there. You got a minute left. Yeah, retest coming. Boop, boop. So go into this level, let us know we're really gone. I mean, ooh, or not. It will, though. Oh, yeah. Look at this. They let you know they're done. They're done in this range. Rejected. Volume there. Decreasing volume the whole time we're bearish, or the whole time we're flagging here. No buyers. There's your push up like we're talking about. Too easy. Too easy. 602 is key. Just remember that. If we can retest and push down, then we'll get 70s. If it pushes back over 602s, this thing just shook out every long, and now we're going long. No in between. So it's either, so that's the strategy basically. It's either if it does this, I do this, or this, I'm going to do this. Like it's only, like it's odds, kind of like blackjack or anything. Oh, yeah. They just shook them boys out. Shook them right up out of that thing. Got them long again. That's all I'm worried about. Right at the end of that candle, they hit it pretty weak. I don't see really any volume. But you got the retest. Pretty predictable. Other than that, I really don't see anything else. What was that again? Oh, yeah. 70s. Just seeing 70s right now. Just a little game. Change the mic color. Yeah, I gotta figure all this stuff out. Sure does a lot of things. I can plug my headphones up and hear myself. Becoming more bearish. But the only thing is, we had a big push Big push. Went right back under the push level where it was the breakout. Got a lot of selling. No continuation. Instant buyers. Yeah. There's your wick up. There's your wick. Like we're saying. I figured it would come down just a little bit more to here. That would have been nice. Wick to here. Instant fills. Done the same thing. That's what I was looking for. But we didn't get it. We got the little baby wick here. Which means that is going to be all. I'm going to bed here. I got to. I got to get up early. Put the Discord link in this thing. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all I'm going to be able to do tonight. Before I'm going to get up very fucking early. Now back fighting 612 now. Yeah, just be careful the rest of the night. Could get very liquid right about 12 o'clock. Usually does. Yeah, everybody have a good night. It was fun. Definitely. Let me know how you enjoyed it with the likes or the dislikes. Leave a comment. What I can do better. Subscribe for sure. I need them. I need to not talk to myself on here. Be a little bit better. But yeah, let's just get some 40s here. 40s or 70s. Y'all pick.